In today's video, we're going to be talking about iframes. What are iframes? Well, iframes can be utilized to put a web page within a web page. Well, if you didn't get that what that meant, well, you can sort of bring another web page, whether it be from your own website, right? It could be an article from your own website, or it could be an article or anything from anyone else's website, and put that onto your own web page. So how do we do that? We utilize an iframe. The iframe HTML tag, surprisingly, is iframe. And we source that to the link that we have. I put the plus sign again. Oh my god, I keep screwing that up. But HTML, the HTML code for iframe is iframe, and the source is the link that we have. The link is a bit.ly link, so that I can, surprise you with the possible link if it surprises you or not. At this point, it's repetitive on my channel. So we close that off with our end iframe tag. No, do not forget the end HTML tag when it's necessary. Alright, so Command S, we save that, and we have this link. Alright, so iframe here is just so congested. I mean, we can see that it's a Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, but just look at the links that is congested all over this article. I mean, it does not look pretty, and I really don't want to read this if I was a consumer on this website. And I'll quite possibly actually leave this website with something so, disgusting, right? No offense, I'm sorry. So, we utilize a skill that we learned in a previous video, and those are attributes. One attribute that we can use to edit it is the height attribute. And we set height, again, there I'm going with the the plus sign, and we set that to 500 pixels. And then the width we can utilize is another 500 pixels. So our iframe will be 500 pixels by 500 pixels, which would mean that it would look like a square. Alright, so we got our Wikipedia page. This looks a lot nicer to view. I mean, I would rather look at this than the mess that we saw before that. And we see that it's an article about Thanos, the mighty Thanos. Well, it doesn't just stop there. We can utilize basic CSS to sort of make this web page look very pretty, and quite frankly, it would actually improve the sort of look of the web page. However, we're not really well acquainted with CSS at the moment. That's going to be in the next section. However, one basic thing that I would show you in this video is how to eliminate the border that's around it. So we input CSS utilizing the style attribute. We put style, and we set the border to none, and we end that with a semicolon because this is not HTML, right? This is CSS within the style attribute. Alright, style is equal to our basic CSS code, the border, and there's no border whatsoever. Alright, so get a quick glimpse before the border goes away. Alright, so now it looks like an actual embedded website. So what happens when I go to another web page, or another web page, when I start roaming around this website, right? And I completely forgot about the actual website, or the actual embedded web page that was there for the main purpose. Well, in that case, we would use a link combined with a paragraph tag. Before we do that, I would actually name the iframe. So we give this a name. Now this name is for references purposes, so that other HTML tags can reference this iframe and edit this iframe. So we're going to put this as Thanos webpage. Alright, so now we're going to start with our link, paragraph tag. This is for, putting text there, and then we're also going to put our link. Alright, so if you remember from our previous video, the link is going to be our href reference, and we set that equal to our link. Now, instead of actually having it within the web page, right? When we would normally do this, it would either open a new tab, or it would open the web page within the website that we're already on. However, we do not want this. We want this to edit the iframe, and we do that by referencing it. Okay, so we would do the target. So it's targeting the iframe, and we set that equal to the web page name. Alright, so Thanos webpage, Thanos webpage. Alright, so paragraph, href, http, whatever that link is, all that jazz. Target is equal to Thanos webpage, which is the same as the name of our iframe. Let's name our link to Thanos is webpage. I hope that's proper grammar. Alright, let's see the deal here. Alright, so we got Thanos' webpage link here, and we have Thanos right here. Alright, so unfortunately we're going to have to leave Thanos shortly. We go to the Wikipedia main page, right, and we look at from today's featured article, Chartwell is an English country near the town of Westerham, Kent. And we got, hope that's not Kentucky, better not be. Okay, good. Alright, so we're looking at this webpage, and let's go back to our original webpage. And there you go. That's our original webpage. Alright, that's enough for iframes today. Thank you for watching the video.